Imagine you have a problem where you need to analyze and bin data from a data frame based on different categories. In this scenario, you have some code that successfully bins the data by month, but you're looking for a more efficient approach to do it by category. The current method involves looping through unique categories, applying the binning logic to each filtered subset of the data frame, and then combining the results. However, you're exploring the possibility of using the over function to simplify this process and handle the categorization more effectively. Now, let's delve into the solution provided earlier. The approach involves grouping the data by both month and category to calculate the statistics. By left joining this data with a template data frame containing all possible combinations of months and categories, we ensure there are no missing entries. This technique allows us to fill any missing values with zeros for presentational purposes, ultimately providing a comprehensive overview of the bin data categorized by both month and category. This method streamlines the process and helps in maintaining a structured output that captures all the necessary information efficiently. To wrap it up, the solution offers a refined way to handle binning data by category in a data frame, enhancing the overall analysis process. By leveraging grouping and left joining techniques, the script efficiently organizes and presents the bin data, ensuring a comprehensive view of the insights derived. So, next time you need to categorize and analyze data effectively, consider implementing similar strategies for a smoother workflow. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more data manipulation tips and tricks.